Con el que tiene de doble, ¿no? No mames.
Amigos, ¿qué onda? Hoy nos venimos a Sandy Point un rato en la tarde, pero hoy me traje a mis hijos. Mi amigo Luis también se trajo a su nene. Creo que tienes otro aquí, primo. Le mordieron ahorita. O no sé si él te tiene. Vamos a ver si podemos atrapar algo hoy. Hoy solo traje una de mis cañas. Ok, mi gente. Hey everyone, what's up? Today is what? Saturday 25 of March. I came in the afternoon with I bring my kids. Wanna do a little fishing today and see what we can catch today. You know, wanna fish for, I don't know, about 2 or 3 hours in here at Sandy Point. We're having a very nice weather in here today. Right now the temperature, Dylan, be careful with the water. The temperature right now is like 70, and we don't have wind today. We don't have wind, you know. Let's see if we can catch something, everyone. You know, stay tuned. Dylan! What are you doing? Leo! Hey, Dylan!
Rápido, puedo hacer esto.
A ver.
Getting hard.
Ok, dale, enréale. Enréale.
It's harder than it looks.
Enréale.
Look, can you do it?
You can do it. Are you tired?
Yeah.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, hold the camera.
Okay.
¿Se siente bien?
¿Sí?
Nita, acá mi amor, un poco más lejos. Okay, we have one guy.
Yeah, fish on.
Ya no peleó, pero ahí viene.
I think it's leaving. Yeah.
O ya se fue.
We think it left.
I don't know, I think the fish got out, Nita. Oh no.
See it?
Hey,
Oh, we caught
there
a
we
fish.
go.
Okay, we caught one. Got one. The first fish of the day.
Okay, 20 incher.
It's really fat.
Ya.
Ooh,
Agárrame la gira, primo, porfa.
nice. Ooh, qué gordita. It's fat.
Easy, little buddy, easy. Okay. There you go, guys. Yeah, it's like a 20 incher, right?
Yeah, a little bit more maybe.
Oh my god.
There we go. He made it. Nice job, Genesys.
Go use it.
Let's catch another one, okay? There we go, guys. Let's catch another one. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Now we don't need it.
Hey, everyone. Today, March 25, I came, like I said, after work with my kids. Today, I just bring one of my rods, you know, and I'm using the breakaway rig. I just caught the first one, like a 20 incher, you know, nice. I'm using right now bloodworms, and I have a 6 ounces sinker on my rod. Okay, amigos, pues hoy aquí estoy en Sandy Point. Después del trabajo vine un rato con mis hijos. Solo traje una de mis cañas y estoy usando lombriz. Ese primero que salió tenía como aproximadamente 20 pulgadas. Mi amigo Luis también está aquí conmigo, igual trajo a su nene, a su hijo. Pues vamos a ver qué pasa. Vino con su esposa también. Vamos a ver qué pasa de rato. Alright, guys. Dylan, be careful with the water.
Daddy, remember last time I caught a jellyfish? We made a heart.
Yep.
Like I found a big seashell. Look, I found a good seashell.
Nice. I bring the iPad for my kid, cause in case he get bored, you know. You already know how the kids are right now, you know. They love the iPads.
Yeah.
Right, Nita?
Yeah, I'm always using that. Not all the time. Sometimes I use it. I just want to crawl. I want to help.
Just hold the fish from the mouth and throw the fish in the water.
I can't do that.
Okay, now.
I want to help though.
And how you can help me, amor, if you don't want to hold the fish?
I'm dying.
No. Look, Dylan, the fish.
I just want to fish him out.
Okay, let's release the little guy. There, be careful, Nita. Go. No. Ve allá, Dylan. Preséntate, hijo. Sit down. Dylan. Hey, everyone. Still here at Sandy Point with my kids. Okay. I'm gonna try to catch another one before I go home. The last one. I'm gonna try to catch the last one on platform. Hey, Dylan. What are you doing? There is Dylan and Genesys. My body is over there. There is my rod. Stand on me and hold the lamprey.
Okay,
Like
guys.
this, okay? Stay there like this, okay? You can do it?
Yeah. Guys, we got a fish. Fish on!
Good job.
This is our last fish of the day, right?
Of the night.
Yeah.
Oh, I think the fish got off, Genesys.
No! That's
I'm
too.
not sure, but I think the fish got off.
Just check. He thinks the fish left.
Oh no.
If it left, we're gonna be sad because we want one more fish and we're leaving. Yeah.
Creo que se fue, Genesys.
So
Ah, no, se fue.
it left. Did it leave with the bait?
Yeah.
It left with the bait.
It was a nice fish, Genesys.
It was pretty good,
I
but
mean, I don't know, about maybe
it wasn't fat.
like a 20 or something, 20 incher. You want me to try for another one, Genesys?
Yeah, let's try for another one.
All right,
Never
let's try
give
for
up.
another one, guys. Right?
Yeah, let's get another one.
Okay.
Remember, never stop trying.
Ahí está.
Guys, this is gonna be the last cast. We hope, because we want to catch another fish.
Okay, Genesys.
Yeah.
Close the fingers.
I'm crossing my fingers, even if you can't see it through these gloves. But let's catch one. Let's go. Fish. Duh. You did it good.
Thanks, baby.
So, yeah. Really good.
Okay, we've been here for what, 2 hours? Genesys?
2.
2 hours. And
Yeah.
We caught like about 3-4 fish. Something like that.
Yeah, 4 fish. This is gonna be our 5th one, right?
Yeah, look, Luis tiene otro. Go
He-
check.
He got one. Let's see it, guys. Let's see. Oh,
Genesys.
that's a nice one. Oh,
Dylan,
that's a big, strong
come and see the
one.
fish. Look, Bello. Touch the fish.
Oh, shit.
Touch the fish.
It's very scaly.
Oh, be careful. Don't hit the fish. Look. Be careful with the water. Okay. Look, Dylan.
Oh, that's very packed.
Wrong way.
There you go. Okay, guys. Let's wait for the last one. All right. Where is the fish?
It was over there.
Dylan. Okay, we have the last one, guys. Go, Nita. Here. Hold the camera.
Okay.
Huh? You have another one too.
He has one too. This one's really, really strong. I'm gonna actually be throwing this out. This
Yeah.
one. I'm scared.
It's gonna be your first release, right?
Yeah, one of my first movies.
Okay. Hold the fish with the gloves. There we go. Nice. Hold it.
I'm
Okay,
scared.
you got it? Okay. There we go. Nice. Keep doing it. Go, go, go. Go close to the water. Close to the water. Close to the water. More.
More?
Okay. Throw the fish. Okay.
Oh my god.
There we go.
Yeah, I did it.
Good job, Nita.
That was really
High five.
fun.
There we go.
We did it.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Now we have the last one. We're going home, right, Genesys?
Yeah, we're gonna go home. It's 8 already, so we're gonna have to go home.
We catch in 2 hours about 5 or 4 fish, something like that.
5 or 6.
Using bloodworms, right, Genesys?
Yeah.
My buddy Luis, he catch some fishes too, you know, about like a 10 or something, because he came in here early. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you guys like this video. If you like what you see, remember, subscribe, share the video with your friends, and give this video a like, right, Genesys?
Yeah. And put the camera right up here. Now, bye.
Dylan, ya saben, amigos. Bueno, ahí ya está el último. Dylan. Y ahora sí, ¿verdad? Nos vamos. Ahí está ya el último, amigos. Nos vemos en la siguiente. Ya es hora de irnos. Como en 2 horas atrapamos como unos 5 pescados. Pequeños, pero al menos atrapamos algunos. Nos vemos en la siguiente. Ya saben, si les gusta lo que ven, suscríbanse, compartan el video y denle like. Ya está, mi gente. Nos vemos en la siguiente.
Bye bye. Is she ready yet? Oh, she's ready, she's ready.
Oh.
Very gorgeous.
There we go, guys.